In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Skool account step by step. Whether you're looking to take a break or you simply need to close your account, I'll guide you through the process to ensure it's as smooth as possible. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Skool and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. You'll want to click on the first result that appears. This link should take you straight to the Skool homepage. Once you're on the Skool site, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you should have access to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the upper section of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar or icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, navigate to Settings and give it a click. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and click on Payment Methods. You should now see a list of your payment options linked to your Skool account. Here's an important tip. Removing your payment information isn't the same as canceling your account, but it's often a necessary step in the cancellation process. Look for the three dots icon beneath the option to add a new payment method. Click on those three dots and a small menu will appear. From this new menu, select Remove. This will delete your payment method from Skool. Now let's return to your profile, so click on your profile icon once more. This time, you're going to select Help Center. The Help Center is your gateway to Skool's support team, who can further assist with account cancellations. Inside the Help Center, look for an option that says Contact Support and click it. You might see a series of categories. Choose something else because it will allow you to type a custom message. In the provided text box, simply type Cancel my account. Be direct and clear about your intent. Once you've composed your message, double check to ensure there are no errors, as this will help expedite the process. Finally, you'll see a button that says Send Message. Click it to send your request directly to the support team. You can usually expect a response within a few business days. Watch your email for their reply, and they'll guide you through the final steps to confirm your account cancellation. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the process to cancel your Skool account. Remember, if you have any further questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Skool's support team for additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful for you.